Hello students, today I want to teach you one poem, The Road Not Taken. Here road symbolizes our life, how it is difficult for everyone to choose a better path in his or her life. We should be enough wise while selecting any option in our life. Let us start this poem written by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in yellow wood. Yellow wood here during Atuman season we know leaves turn in yellowish color. Here means forest. Two roads diverged that separating in two different directions. This poet stands at the point from where these two roads going to two different directions. And as a traveler, long I stood. For a long time, he stands at that point. He is unable, he is helpless. Which road is better for him? He is unable to decide to where it bent. He looked as far as long as he could see, and from where this road turned to the see that undergrowth here, dense forest, bushes which are grown. He is unable to see that point that roads turn to the undergrowth. Then took this other just as fair. He is there standing at that point, examining both the road. Both are equally important. Here now, look the other just as fair. He sees the other road which is really very fair, clear, and having perhaps the better claim, he sees better opportunity to follow the second road because it was grasses and wanted beer. It is a grassy one, means full of grass, less traveled, less people walked over this road. See, though as for that the passing there, he thinks while passing through that road had borne them really about the same. He sees that both road equally important, both are looking important for him. This is the confusion dilemma he has, and both that morning equally, that morning when he is standing at that point, both roads are looking equally important. Leaves on the step had trodden black. Leaves which were falling just on the road, which were not trodden by, travelled by, or stepped over by someone, means there this totally a fresh road both were looking. Oh, I kept the first for another day. As a human being, he cannot walk on both roads at a time, so he decides to choose the second one and leave the first one for another day. Yet knowing that is how way leads to the way, he knows that once he decides to follow the first one, it will be difficult to him to follow the another, because this road will lead him to the another way and another road. Okay, and I doubted if I should over come back, and he is doubtful whether he will return back to follow the second road. You see that as human being, whenever we choose any option and we started following that particular road, particular option, idea, it will be difficult for us to come back and then start the other way, because we have already just spoiled our time. So we should be careful while choosing option in life. According to the poet, he is unable to come back and start another road which he left for the future, or maybe decided to come back and follow. I shall be be telling with a sick. Here sick means in a serious mood. He shall be telling in future. Whenever he realizes his decision which he made in his lifetime, somewhere ages and ages hence, here's for this reason, for long time, for many years, okay, that the two road diverged in the wood, and he may used to tell the people, once there were two roads which diverged, just turned to different direction, passing through a yellow wood, yellow forest, okay, this and I took the one less traveled. Why? He decided to follow the path which was traveled less by the people, and that has made all the difference, and this thing totally made difference in his life. Dear students, here I want to tell you the message which this poet gives you, कि whenever we are going to choose option, we should be wise while choosing option in life. If we choose better option, our life will be better. If we choose wrong option, we will have to regret. So you should be wise while choosing any option. This is the message of this poet, and wants to tell you that whenever we go to choose anything which will lead your life in future, that option should be better, and be careful while choosing this option. This is the message this poet wants to give us. So we have some more questions here. I would like to discuss this question with you. Where does the traveler find himself? What option does he face? So traveler finds himself in a forest where two roads are going in different direction. He is helpless to choose which road will be better, which road will be beneficial for him. Actually, he can't. Both options are there. Both are equally important. He is in dilemma. Which will he choose? Which enhance his life and just make his life better. So he cannot decide which road is worth taking, which will be important for him. Discuss what these phrases means to you. A yellow wood, as I tell you, The yellow wood means during the autumn season. Generally, leaves in forest turn yellowish. They are in about to decomposing position, and this forest look like just a yellowish color, in yellowish color. Yes, that is the thing. It was a grassy and wanted wear, means that grass was grown over, and it is now less traveled by the people. So this means that this road is not used by many people. Very less people walked over this road. Okay, that passing there, here she is going up and down the road, means that road which is passing sometimes is going up, sometimes down, sometimes turn from one direction to the other, like that. His leaves on step had trodden black. These leaves are not crushed by the feet of the people. This is not that road is less traveled. Leaves which are on the road, not trodden, means not walked over by the people, stepped over by the people. See that how way leads on to the one way leads to the other, and this much is the thing given. Rest of the thing we shall see in other period or another just a video I will send you. This is a first video, and afterwards I will teach you another. So